Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lazy Bay Designs. On this tutorials I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful drawstring maternity dress for kids. So let's get started. Great, so these are the materials I'll be needing for my flare dress. That's my lace fabric for the hem, ruler, tape measure, scissors, tailor chalk, and then 2 yards of African print. Okay, I'll then open the fabric and then fold it into two, making sure the selvage faces or like selvage to selvage. Afterwards, I will then bring the tape measure downwards and mark downwards to where the flare ends. Okay, and then mark my 21 inches. Okay, so I'll come upwards and then mark the 21 inches. So after marking the 21 inches, I'll then bring the tape measure at the tip and then mark all round in a flare shape. Okay, so after marking, I will then bring it down to the other side as well and then mark my 21 inches. Okay, so after marking the 21 inches, I will then take it all round to meet the other points as well, like so. Great. Afterwards, I will cut out. Okay, so I'll be cutting out the hem of the flare. That is where the 21 inches ended, and then from the hem of the flare upwards, I'll also cut it off. Great. At this point, I will then go ahead and then shape my armhole. As you can see, I folded it into two again, which I wasn't supposed to fold, but it was a mistake. But at the end of the day, it came out so nice. Okay, so I'll come down 4 inches plus seam allowance 4.5. Okay, so I came down 4.5 and then the wideness is like 1 inch. Afterwards, I cut out. After cutting, you will see I made a mistake at the middle of the flare, but yes, so it came out so nice. Great. So you can see I should have cut the armhole at this side and then the other side as well, so the middle wasn't needed. Please, if you are cutting yours, you need to be extra careful because I made a mistake afterwards. Okay, so this is the lace that I'll use to attach the hem of the flare. Okay, so it's 5 inches and then 1 inch as my seam allowance, so remaining 4 inches. I'll then go ahead and then use it all round the flare. Okay, I also went ahead to finish the armhole I cut with my bias. Okay, and then the center hole I created too, I bind it with the bias. I'll then go ahead and then fold one side of my flare in this way and then fold it again like I'm creating a casing to enable me pass my strip so that I can tie at the shoulder of the dress. So this is it. The fabric has already been folded. I'll then cut a width of 1 inch long, a width of 1 inch, and then the length is like 36, so like 72 inches long. I'll then divide it into two and then go ahead and create a long strip by sewing. Okay, so as you can see, I'm attaching the pleat or the lace at the hem of my flare. I'm attaching the lace at the hem of my flare by creating pleats at the hem like this. You need to be extra careful so that the pleats will have an equal interval and then neatly done. Great. So this is what I'll be having after creating the strip and then pleating at the hem of the flare. I will then use a safety pin at one side of the strip and then pass it through the first casing I created at the front and then the second casing at the back like this. Okay, great. So this is what I'll be having after using the strip through the casing I created at the chest area. Okay, so this is all I'll be having. It came out so nice. After pulling the gathers, it covered the hole I created at the center or of the front. Thank you all for watching my videos. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. So as you can see, these are some of the samples I've already made for my client. So beautiful and nice. See you all in our next video. Bye.